Visible, owned by Verizon, offers a budget-friendly alternative to traditional Verizon plans. You get unlimited 5G data, talk, and text for just $25 a month. No contracts or hidden fees. Visible leverages Verizon's extensive 5G network, offering coverage to nearly all of the U.S. population, although speeds can vary, especially in rural areas. Key benefits include no credit checks and a straightforward prepaid model. Switching is designed to be simple via Visible's app or website, with most users completing the process in under an hour. First, ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with Visible by checking on their website. Next, order a Visible SIM kit or activate an eSIM through their app. Port your number from Verizon, which requires your Verizon account PIN, but don't cancel your Verizon service until the porting process is complete. Activate your SIM and set up your plan through the Visible app. While switching is usually seamless, some users may experience porting delays. Customer support is available through the Visible app and online resources. While Visible provides excellent coverage, 5G speeds can be slower than Verizon's premium plans, especially during peak hours in densely populated areas.